Today we're changing the differential fluid in a 2008 Ford F150. Before you begin, make sure you have all the tools and materials needed. A good shop manual, socket, ratchet, torque wrench, rags, oil pan, gaskets or sealer, and of course lubricant appropriate for your application. Here we'll use AMSOIL Severe Gear 75W-140 for the rear and 75W-90 for the front. Make sure you check your owner's manual or shop manual for the appropriate materials for your own vehicle. Make sure your vehicle is in park, parking brake set, wheels chocked, and never get under a vehicle held up by a jack. Work safe. The spare tire has been removed for easier access and a better camera angle. This is the first time it's been down in a few years and the key lock is a little corroded. It's good to clean and lube that now in case it needs to come out at the side of the road to deal with a flat tire. You should have the fluid warmed up to get out as much as possible. A few miles of driving does that. Clean around the cover to prevent any dirt from falling in. Loosen the bolt, leaving a couple in loose at the top so you don't drop the cover. Okay, there's the last bolt. There we go, there's the inside of the pan. Doesn't look too bad. There's a depressed area where oil will sit and you can use your finger to squeegee out the rest of that. Here's the drain plug. It's got a lot of crud on it. One thing you'll notice is this sliver. Looks like a needle. It's probably about an inch long. Probably left over from the manufacturing process. Doesn't look like a wear piece, but you never know. The rest is metallic sludge that needs to be wiped off the magnetic drain plug before reinstalling it in the differential. The pan has been cleaned up using brake cleaner. See how shiny it is now? Once the rest of the sealant has been scraped off, it'll be ready to put back together. We're going to clean this off and put our alignment pins in. Wipe it off good. It's been scraped pretty good. These are 5/16 bolts with the head cut off, a little bit of taper cut on them. Help line the plate up when it's glued up. And then they can be pulled out and the bolts put back in. It's the same thread as the bolts that hold it together. Here we go. Use a sealant appropriate for gear lube. A couple bolts with the heads cut off make great temporary alignment pins. The welding magnets give you something to hang on to besides the goopy edge. This one had a tag. Put the tag back in the same spot. Okay, we just got them snugged up by hand. We'll leave it about an hour and come back and torque it to spec. Tighten to the spec in your service manual using a torque wrench. Oops. Refill per your vehicle spec. For this one, it's to the bottom of the fill hole. The AMSOIL bottle hand pump works great and fits both quarts and gallons. There she's full. Okay, we're almost done. We'll torque it in and it's good. Got it. The same procedure is used for draining and refilling the front differential. To prepare for reinstalling the cover plate, I did a couple dry runs without the sealant. The bolts on the cover plate are a little harder to get at, but it's doable. For information on how the Preferred Customer Program can save you money on AMSOIL products, go to MidwestSynthetic.com. Thanks for watching.